show you how the everyone primitive works. The everyone primitive needs a list of instructions within square brackets as input. This command makes every turtle on the page run the list of instructions one at a time until all the turtles have done it. Take a look at these examples. I'll put 3 turtles on the page. They're all piled up on top of each other, so I'll move 2 of them a bit, and I'm just going to move them down. Now I'll type this in the command center. Everyone forward 100, and don't forget those square brackets. They seem to move at the same time, but watch what happens if you add a wait command. Everyone forward 100, wait 10. Now they clearly move one after the other. Here's a second example. Type this in the command center and watch what happens. Everyone, set color random 140, wait 10. Now they're changing color one after the other. So, as you might be able to see, the everyone primitive is really great when you're coding a game with multiple players. Now you can head over to the associated project to see the everyone primitive in action. Thanks. See you next time.